Greetings, my fellow nurse brothers and nurse sisters. Welcome to the Nursing Affiliated channel. Today we're going to be talking about the most important question that I've been getting from a lot of you nursing followers, subscribers, and everyone that's been here from day one. How to balance mind, body, and spirit. It's all about mental health awareness. A lot of us get burnt out, what's called reverse caregiving role. We don't have time for that. As a registered nurse, for all my CRNAs, for all my CNAs, anybody in the healthcare field that's working and giving so much, we forget to take care of ourselves. In order to give 100% bedside care as a registered nurse or a CNA or a medical assistant or whatever, if you're doing in the healthcare facility, all my RTs, x-ray techs, my phlebotomist, a medical doctor, anybody in the healthcare field, hats goes off to you guys. But I will tell you right now, first we got to take care of ourselves in order to take care of others. So this is where I came up with CardiacStrong. A lot of individuals wanted to have a huge definition of what it means, and CardiacStrong basically understands of us nurses or anyone in the healthcare field. We are the heart, we are the pulse, we are what gives to help other individuals. But in order to do that, we have to take care of ourselves. So I have 3 tips on what to do for mental health awareness. Now, I always discuss, number 1 is physical activity. It's also great to just throw in some incorporate exercises, go run upstairs, do some cycling, swimming, also hiking. That also helps too, just to increase your heart rate, get that blood flow going, circulation, perfuse all of your organs, and most importantly, sweat out your toxins. Get your serotonin levels up, get your adrenaline levels going up. That's when you release your cortisol levels. They start dropping, you start feeling a lot better. The next day, yes, you're gonna feel a little sore, a little lethargic and tired, but you will feel better over time. That's number 1 tip. I love to run. I incorporate a lot of exercise 3 times a week. I love hiking. For everyone that knows me from UCSD, they know I love and I'm infatuated with the Cow's Mountain. But I also incorporate a lot of exercising and running. CardiacStrong. Love it. So number 2, for mental health awareness, for all my nursing students, for everyone out there that needs assistance and help how to incorporate mind, body, and spirit, second tip that I have for you guys is take a break mentally for yourselves. If that's going out to have, time with your friends, go watching a movie, go actually walking, just a little bit with your family members, just discussing things that's bothering you, discussing what's going on up here. Mentally, we can actually break down a couple times. It's happened to me, no lie. It's not something that a lot of people will confess. Well, I'm telling you guys right now. My second tip is explain, verbalize what's going on in your head, what's bothering you, what's bugging you, what's disruptive. Go through the chain of command. If it's something at work, talk to your, counselor, or talk to your, I call my parents counselors because they listen. My friends are counselors, just student, even people in your class are counselors. So talk to someone about what's going on and what's bothering you and what's bugging you. That's the second tip. Don't hold it in, guys, because that cup is like all the problems that happen. They start overfilling and it's going to pour out. So pour out exactly how you're feeling and let it out. Always talk about it. Third tip I have for mind, body, and spirit, CardiacStrong, the way to take care of yourselves for mental health awareness. Number 3, and this is the most important one, guys. This is where you study, take care of your patients, you have your care plans, you're writing your papers, and then all of a sudden you just have a time lapse where you just don't know what to do next. So my third tip, I know I keep dragging this on, but I love it because this is my most important one, guys. I will tell you right now, definitely make time for yourself. Now, when I say make time for yourself, like I said, I'm not going out talking about running or talking to somebody about things. Spend time for yourself. Sit down, read a book. Learn something. If you don't want to read a book, maybe watch a little TV. That might help a little bit to kind of get your mind off from so many different things that we have running through our heads. Remember, nursing school is not easy. We do have those care plans, the patho papers, the head-to-toe assessments, the lectures, the clinicals. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So for all my nursing students, and also for my new grads, and also for the individuals that are working right now, 3 tips. Number 1, like I mentioned before, hiking, bicycling, or cycling, hiking, I said it again, also swimming, anything that's exercise. Second thing I'm going to go ahead and throw in there is definitely going out and talking to someone. If that's your fellow, nurse brother, if it's your nurse sister, if it's your family member, a friend, or just someone down the street, that's your dog. Just kidding, don't do that. Don't do that. But definitely go communicate with someone and verbalize how you're feeling. Also, the third thing, like I mentioned before, time for yourself. Just turn everything off. cell phones, TVs, anything that's electronic, all the social media. Yes, social media, I said it. I love to do that whenever I have a time to incorporate my social media platform for you guys. But you have to take a break, my fellow nurse brothers and sisters. So those are my 3 tips. I wanted to make it long and informative for everyone out there, especially for my nurse brothers that are graduating. Congrats, my hat's off to you guys. But definitely mental health awareness is huge and it's important. Okay, guys? So my fellow nurse brothers and sisters, that's the way I balance, mind, body, and spirit. Don't forget to follow CardiacStrong. I'll put the link right here on the bottom. Love you guys. Peace, love, advocate, nurspiration. Love you guys. Peace.